Coming up with a business idea is exciting, but how do you know if it's worth pursuing? In this lesson, we'll explore how to validate your idea using lean startup principles. Validation means proving that real people care about your idea enough to take action. It's the difference between assuming something will work and knowing it can. The lean startup method encourages you to test early, learn fast, and avoid wasting time building something nobody wants. Start by stating your core assumption. What problem are you solving? Who are you solving it for? What outcome do you believe they want? These questions form your hypothesis, the foundation of your validation process. Next, talk to real people. Customer interviews are essential. Skip the formal surveys, have open conversations with potential users. Ask about their current struggles, how they solve those problems now, and what they wish was different. Avoid pitching. Just listen. Then build a minimum viable product, or MVP. This isn't a full product. It's the simplest version that lets you test your idea. It could be a landing page, a clickable prototype, or even a manual service. The goal is to measure interest with real behavior. Track what people do, not just what they say. Are they signing up, clicking, paying? Feedback is helpful, but action is more telling. If no one's engaging, your idea might need tweaking or rethinking entirely. Use what you learn to iterate. Lean Startup is about learning loops. Build, measure, learn. Each cycle helps you get closer to a product that people truly need. Sometimes you'll pivot, change direction based on new insights. That's not failure. It's progress. Lean validation also keeps costs low. Instead of spending months in development, you spend days gathering insight. This speeds up your journey and increases your chances of success. By validating early, you build with confidence. You stop guessing and start creating something people actually want. And that's the heart of every successful startup. Let's put these principles into action and start testing our way to product market fit.